Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a review widget on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all these sections. So right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content. You're going to find online analytics, marketing, and also discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your application. Here, you're going to find the option to add applications. And lastly, here at the bottom, you're going to find settings. So right now, go ahead and click on add application. And after that, here in the bottom, you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here in the Shopify App Store, go to the top, you're going to find the search bar, give it a click, and then search for reviews like this. And then give it a click on enter. And then here you're going to find all of these applications that will help you to add review widgets. So right now, I'm going to add this application, for example, Beatles reviews and bundle. So I'm going to click on it and then click on install. Once you click on install, you're going to be taken right here. Click again on install right here. And after that, just wait for it to be added to your Shopify store. And as you can see, guys, it will be added here to your dashboard. You can pin it if you want. So here you're going to find apps, widgets, integrations, settings, and plan. So just go to widgets. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose any widget that you want to add it to your store. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.